Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the original, the authentic, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. I just went through chat hell with trolls saying I buy overpriced junk and insulting my girlfriend, insulting me, insulting the cats. So this is not going to be live, but this is an unboxing video. I just got a great item that I opened up for the channel members, and I had another item that's very small, but one was defective. I'm going to send it back. One works, one doesn't. So this is the other item I bought. Kill my arm if I try to lift it. It's very heavy. They were all going like, you're buying junk from China. Everything in your apartment is junk. Oh, shut the hell up. Now, I have a problem twofold, that my stove does not work. So to cook certain things, I have to use the electric skillet, the crock pot, the George Foreman grill. And the other problem is my toaster doesn't work right, because bread, toast, bagels will get in the bottom of it and set on fire because it has no release for the crumbs. So this is a giant box with a whole bunch of airbags and instructions or something. Oh, it's a packing slip. And I don't know why they would give me this crap about you're buying too much stuff from China. Well, I'm not buying from Temu. This came from FINGERHUT. There's a lot of stuff from Temu that's absolute junk. And the headphones I bought are not pairing. I'm going to let them charge for 24 hours. If they aren't going to pair, I'm going to send them back. They're supposed to pair with a Mac, but they would not do it. I tried extensively this morning. So what this is the West Bend 2-slice breakfast station. And eventually you'll see what I did for the channel members. I'm going to wait on that. It's very good. I won't have to use the camera light anymore. Breakfast sandwiches in minutes, toast bread, bagels, or English muffins. Make eggs, poach, scramble, soft or hard-boiled. I love hard-boiled eggs. Heat pre-cooked meats, sausage, or Canadian bacon. Oh, I didn't know that feature. That's interesting. Dishwasher safe, removable parts, 1-year warranty, BPA free. Cooks at the same time. Bagel, you can make one of those, cheese muffins you get at McDonald's or Burger King or somewhere like that. And let's look at the rest of this. It says here, wide toast slots recommended bread for bagels, English muffins. Toast lift, safe and easy to use controls, browning levels. You can put 8 eggs in here for the egg cooker. You can have a warming tray for meats, pre-cooked meat, sausage, or Canadian bacon. Oh, you have to pre-cook them. A warming tray, a steaming tray, a poaching tray, lid with steam unit. So, steam vent, steam something. So, my toaster, I had to turn it over one day because a piece of Pop-Tart broke off and it was caught on fire. So, time for the old toaster to go that I bought at Walgreens 18 years ago. Alright, here's the instruction book. And all the instructions are in here. And they got it in Spanish and French. Excuse me. I'll have to read this with the new lamp. And have to unplug the old toast. I have no toast right now, so I can't make toast. I have to go buy bread before I go to the store. I have eggs. But eggs without toast are kind of like, gotta have toast with the eggs. So, I'll probably go to Target tomorrow. Can't go Monday. The bus says it'll be 97 Tuesday and 97 Wednesday before. Oh, the sun just fell. So, there's reasonably washable parts. They didn't warn me it'd fall on the floor. Hope that's it. No, there's one more. There's two more. Many parts here. Okay. Move the keyboard section in. Here's the very light for the toaster portion of it. Here's the West Bend toaster. You have the up and down. You can launch missiles with that. Cancel, toast, the dial, and egg, and toast, and egg. And that's where the egg tray goes. So this is, I guess, I'm not sure what this is. Here is the thing that you can put 8 eggs in here. And I guess this must be for the steaming portion of it. Until I look at the instruction book, I won't know what this is for. This may sit on front for some reason. And then there's use small amount of oil or butter. So I'll figure out what this is. So you have this. This is where you put the eggs. And that little thing. Oh, there's one more piece. Hold on. Hard to do this one-handed. Okay, I'm going to set this down. And if the bread catches on fire, the smoke alarms go off. Then people start pounding on my door. Okay, and then there's, whoops. And there's this is the cover, so, which doesn't fit over this, whatever this thing is. It does fit, or maybe not. There we go. I'm not sure what this is probably your Canadian bacon or bacon. So, I'll have to try this out when I get some bread. I have eggs. But I make regular eggs, fried eggs in the skillet, but it's a pain to break open the skillet, and then I gotta pour it out and clean it and all that. So we'll see how this works when I get some bread. I'll do a video showing the bread, but this is a lot more. My toaster is metal and it has no tray in the bottom. Let's see if this has a tray to remove the crumbs. No, it's very annoying. I don't know why they don't do that on toasters. The old toasters from the 50s used to do that. So I'll read the instruction book. And you'd think this thing would sit on here a little better, but I don't know. Anyway, that's this one. This is the West Bend toaster and egg maker and bacon warmer and Canadian bacon warmer. Put that under there for now. And I'm sure it works. I'll have to save these. Put this over here for now. Alright, that's it for this one. That's the last of the unboxings for now. I will look at the manual later. And oh, wait a minute. I forgot there is one more item, but I'll have to do that in a minute. Alright. You have the clear thing going first, then the black thing, then the poaching. That's a poaching tray. Steaming tray. I can't read all these things, but it shows it's a breakdown there of what it is. I'll read that later. Alright, that's it for this one. Have a great night. Oh, I forgot the channel numbers. Channel numbers, most important. 1,426,874 views, 20,859 subscribers. Click the like button, get your friends, neighbors, coworkers to become subscribers and get them to join the channel for $3.99 or $6.99 a month, where you see content nowhere else. They bitched about that I buy junk. It's Halloween stuff. Fluffy's birthday is Halloween. Fuzzy and little girl's birthday was Halloween. I miss them terribly. And Kathy and my anniversary is Halloween. So that's it for this one. Have a great day, and remember, you can go to GoFundMe, look for the official The Guy from Pittsburgh GoFundMe page. Help feed the cats, help me get an apartment building. Not a scam. The cats do need me because little girl, little sweet girl, and tiny one, and Mama Cat and Kitten would starve without me, because very seldom do they get. Little sweet girl gets food occasionally from the people where she stays. Tiny one gets food occasionally from the Mexican that lives where she stays, but not every day. Without me and Mama Cat and Kitten, because the raccoons get no food except from me, they would starve to death. So they do need me, and they love me very much, and I love them. All right, bye-bye for now. This is George Senda, the official The Guy from Pittsburgh. I'll see you later. I got to do the next video, and then I am done. What time is it anyway? Okay, 3:36. It's 80 degrees today. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.